Hey guys, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today I am going to do a review on Poshmark. I've been selling for the past 8-9 weeks, and I wanted to discuss with you what I think of the platform, what I'm selling, how much I've sold, and any advice I can give to you. So if you're here for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I always try to give entrepreneurs advice, tips, and strategies on making things work in your business. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is what I sold and what I'm learning. And let's get into the actual platform here. I started selling about 9 weeks ago and I had just a few listings. I've been very consistent with adding listings every day. So let's take a look at my account right now. I have 333 listings. As you can see, I have an array of different brands. I have some new items that I purchased from suppliers, and I have some items that I pick up at thrift stores. I have a Goodwill outlet and some of my own brand as well. And if you notice that I have shoes, purses, jeans, I carry everything. And that's just my personal strategy. But as I look around the platform, I do notice that many people have different strategies. There isn't one particular way to do Poshmark. So you can do Poshmark, maybe you just want to sell jeans, or maybe you want to just sell shoes. Maybe you're high-end brands, or maybe you sell a little bit of everything. There's no right or wrong, which I love about Poshmark. And the cool thing about Poshmark is everyone is very trusting. When I started adding more listings, I got sales right away. And I have to tell you, this is probably the easiest platform to make your very first sale on. Other platforms like eBay take some time to get your first sale, and even Etsy. But for some reason, they're very trusting people on Poshmark. And I just love the fact that I made a sale very, very quickly. So I'm going to keep scrolling down to show you some of my brands, which I have everything from American Eagle to Gucci and Ted Baker, Jessica Simpson, all brand names. And I do notice that people will be looking for those brand names. Now that being said, it doesn't mean that you can't have a generic brand and you can't develop a clientele. So let's say you're just buying generic brand shoes and shirts and whatever it is you're decided to sell, and you can definitely develop a clientele that way. But I do notice that people are looking for specific brands, and that's the route I kind of went. I have 333 listings now, and it takes me about 2 minutes, not even, to post a listing. So when I go to the Goodwill outlet and I get my haul, you can watch some of the videos, some of my other videos about this, but I'll have a bag of clothing and it probably takes me about 2 hours to list my entire big, huge bag of clothing. And that's how I got to 333 listings so quickly. So yeah, I really, really like this platform. It is really easy to navigate. There's something called bundles where people can bundle some items so you can give them a discount. And it's really straightforward. I love the fact that the shipping is included. How easy is that? So it's, I think it's £6 or over. That's when you pay additional shipping. But most of your items, I mean, you can pack a lot of clothes into a box that's less than, I think it's £6. Don't mark my words. But yeah, and they just pay one shipping price. So that is just a game changer for me. I wanted to do multiple streams of income just in case any of the other platforms, something happens. You just never know if an account gets suspended, one of the other platforms go out of business. So I'm a big fan of multiple streams of income. So yeah, I have been sharing my closet. As you can see, I have been following a lot of people. And I think that's a really good route to go, just constantly sharing your closet. I do it about twice a day to make sure that people are just engaged with me. And again, this is only 8-9 weeks in, and I've already sold quite a bit. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you exactly what I sold and what my sales, how much I made. So I sold just actually a few minutes ago, I sold a little Kipling small knapsack. I've sold bathing suits, Vera Bradley bags. Here's some Gentle Souls shoes by Kenneth Cole. These are new Prana shorts. I sold several of those. Let's see, sandals, Banana Republic. Actually, this one I canceled because I found a stain on it that I didn't disclose. Let's see, bathing suit top, Prana shorts, brand new Michael Kors sunglasses that I purchased from a supplier, Hollister jean jacket, let's see, a bundle of different bathing suit items, see a vintage Coach, shoes, Vineyard Vine shirt, Lily Pulitzer, Le Sport Sac, Betsy Johnson, again, and so these are the items that I've sold. And my total dollar amount is, let's see here, my balance. So I've sold about $855 in, that short time that I've been on Poshmark. And Poshmark takes about 20%, which I think is fair because most of these items they're my personal items or things I'm picking up from a thrift store or a wholesaler or even my own line. I am selling my own branded line. So it's really just, especially if you just want to get rid of clothing in your closet, it's kind of a no-brainer. Let me get back onto my account here. But what I love about Poshmark is the ease of the platform. It is super easy to navigate. I do everything right on my phone. And I just, it'll say list an item, I list it, and it takes just minutes to take the pictures. And let me talk a little bit about styling, because you can choose to style your photos or not. And let me get back to my closet. So I've seen closets both ways. I've seen closets being styled. I've seen closets just plain. I've seen everything in between. And I do notice that for me personally, I like styled closets. But, that being said, I've seen accounts that are doing extremely well with just white backgrounds. So that's a choice that you can make. You can either style your photos or not. But I do want to give you the tip of doing, having multiple photos. You want to make sure you have all different angles and all different, if you're disclosing different types of flaws. As you can see here, I have pictures of everything, including any flaws. I also put my flaws in the description, and this way you are covered with Poshmark. So yeah, I really, really like this platform. I think it's great for a beginner, especially if you're just getting started in the online space. Just grab some things out of your closet, start listing them, start sharing your closet, start being active, and you will start making sales. I want to talk a little bit about price, and that's something that you're going to have to test. Like anything else, any other platform, you're going to need to test your prices. Plus, people do make offers. So I listed about 20 to 30% higher than what I'd like to get. And I take offers, especially if I'm only paying dollars for items, a couple bucks, then, I'll take $10 for an item. I'll take $12, $15. But, that's going to be another strategy that you have to kind of figure out on your own. And that will take some time and testing. So yeah, this platform is definitely a go for me. I'm going to be investing a lot more energy into this, and I really can't wait to see what the next year is going to bring. So make sure that you just get started, whatever platform it is. Just get started. Make it a mess. Just do it. I don't care what it is. Get started. That's always the hardest thing for you guys that I'm seeing you struggle with, is getting started or being consistent. Make sure you commit to it, be consistent, and you'll find your way. Trust me, this is how you do online business, by making your mistakes and finding your way. So 2 thumbs up for Poshmark. I will keep you posted as I progress on this platform. And don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.